Hello students, I am Sir Krunal from Fatima Convent High School and we will discuss about Standard 12 computer subject. Let us start with the marking scheme and paper pattern first, and accordingly we will discuss further points. As you are right now able to see on the screen, I prepare computer subject into two columns, for commerce and for science. Okay. The most important point to be remember here is there is same textbook. There is same textbook for commerce and science. Same paper style, same marking scheme for commerce and science student, but papers are different. Papers are different. Now we will cover up with 100 marks theory for both and 50 marks practical. So altogether my subject is 150 marks. For commerce student, their other subject is of say 100 marks, but my subject is 150 marks. Okay. Now science student also we have to manage 150 marks. The important point where I want your pay attention, that is in commerce both theory and practical marks count in percentage and also count for admission purpose and affect to your merit list of your college admission. That means in commerce, the way how your other subjects are count in merit, exactly same way computer subject also count in merit, in percentage, in total, everywhere, like all other commerce stream subject. Okay. Now for science, the marks of computer count in overall percentage, but it's not count in merit for admission purpose in the college. Excluding some of the exceptional cases, because some courses I heard somewhere, I'm not sure, that 150 marks count in merit also. Some exams are there, like for example, again I'm clarifying, I'm not sure, but NATA exam, okay, they count, okay, but majority science stream admission process computer marks are not count. Okay. For commerce and science, for both of them 100 marks theory examination conducted by the board in the form of 100 MCQ, no minus system, no negative marking system. Okay, so for both of them 100 marks theory examination conducted by the board, the way how you give board exam of 10 standard, the same way you have to give paper of 100 MCQ, and 50 marks practical exam required to be conducted by school, so that you have to give in school computer lab before you participate in the month of March for board exam. Okay. About this particular explanation, you have any doubt, you can comment to me in my WhatsApp, comment to me in my this YouTube video. Below video you can able to write whatever you find out difficulties and doubts. I definitely give the answer. Okay, we will be very convenient with each other as far as the doubt required to be discussed and comments. Why I am saying comments? Because other can also get the benefit of your doubt. Okay, so for commerce student, please don't take it lightly, because 150 marks can change your career at all. And for science student, passing is compulsory, but it not count in merit. But yes, for science student A group and B group, somewhere in future, for B group bioinformatics, and for A group, okay, in almost all branches the use of computer is compulsory. Okay, somewhere in some courses. Fine. Now we will go ahead, we will move on the paper pattern and other things. So kindly observe on the screen. This is the weightage and paper pattern and all those. Okay, as you are able to see that we have a theory marks and practical marks available. This file I will separately upload in WhatsApp group, so you can able to keep it with you. Okay, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is related with internet related technology, where we have to create the HTML forms which you use to fill up the form to create Instagram account or Facebook account. That form we have to create, then we have to validate that form, then we have to prepare simple website, then we have an introduction to e-commerce and m-commerce. This is internet related technology. Okay, the most important and the most observative part of the syllabus is from chapter number 6 up to chapter number 11. If you focus carefully, out of 100 MCQ, 50 MCQ is based on this lesson. They are applied programming technique, how anybody prepare Android apps The root of that we have to learn in chapter number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is called Java language programming, and there are 50 MCQ out of 100 MCQ based on this lesson. These all the lessons are purely like a TV serial. If you missed out any one episode, the next episode will be question mark for you. Chapter number 12 is publishing documents using latex, where we go for preparing some symbols which is not possible to be typed from keyboard, like for example sigma symbol. Plus we learn how to prepare printing material like textbook, booklets, magazines, how we can prepare it nicely. The third is other useful free tool and services, some latest technology, but latest means before 5 years latest. VLC media player and other things we have to learn how you can able to manage that. That is a part of chapter number 13. Okay. The most crucial is chapter 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. They are most crucial. The most easy is chapter number 13. Okay, clear? This is the normal bifurcation. We would like to start with chapter number 4 because for chapter number 1, 2, 3 I required some board work which is not feasible right now. So we would like to start with chapter number 4. Okay, so let's start chapter number 4. Textbook page number 72. Okay, introduction to e-commerce. Okay. Now, as far as e-commerce concerned, first we want to talk about what is commerce. Now, commerce means trade plus auxiliary services. Okay, so whenever you talk about commerce, that means you are talking about either trade or trade related services. Now, e-commerce means what? Now, e-commerce also derive from the same context. Okay, if you do any commercial activity with the help of internet, then that commercial activity comes under the criteria of e-commerce. Okay, I would like to read line by line. Okay, I have a habit of reading line by line because MCQ can be possible from any line, so that's why it will be very convenient for all of us to go for. Remember, 12 standard, what I am saying is very important. 12 standard computer subject is not like 11 standard. Only you read a textbook exercise MCQ and you will get full marks. Absolutely baseless, absolutely useless. Board can ask MCQ from any corner, from any area, including figure also. Okay, I'll prepare one separate video for that where I can able to show you with evidence that from where board can set the MCQ it beyond your imagination. Okay, fine. Now we will go line by line, so please concentrate. We are living in the era of information, because we deal with information in nowadays for every step of our life. Information is available from sources. From where you get the information? You can get the information from FM radio, you can say television, okay, newspaper and internet. These are the source of information. Okay, here one MCQ is possible. Information is available from dash, option A radio, option B television, option C internet, option D both A and B. So sorry, D all. So like that way MCQ can be possible. To get good marks in computer subject, read the line and ask your conscience how this line can be converted into MCQ. Okay, that is the best technique to score maximum possible mark. The availability of internet and mobile device has changed the way how we use to access information. Okay, the way how we are able to get the internet connectivity, the way how we are able to access data through mobile, okay, it changed our life and it changed the way how we can access information. People have started using internet almost every hour of the day. There are so many people, they use internet almost every hour, okay, through mobile device or from other aspects. Okay, earlier websites were used mainly to disseminate information, provide information about the product or organization. See, in olden days what happened? There are many companies who prepare their website, but purpose of the website is not business transaction. Purpose of the website is to provide information or to provide detail about the product, photograph of the product, characteristics of the product, guarantee warranty of product and price of product, but transactions are not possible. So previous days the websites are known as informative website. For example, website of an educational institute provide information regarding various course content, students and its faculties. Okay, so in previous situation what happened, if somebody prepares some educational institute website, then they provide which are the courses, What are the content of the course? I mean to say name of the subject, the information about students or information for students, and they also provide information about faculties. Now here the question arises, those who are watching this video and listening to this lecture, I would like to ask one challenging question to them. Do it required for a educational institute to provide the detail of faculty, I mean to say teachers? Do we require to provide information, the information of teacher on the website? If you say yes, then which information we need to show to others about teachers from our website? And if you say no, we don't require to provide information about the teachers, then you have to clarify why. You can give your answer in comments. Let's see who write the answer first in comments. Okay. Similarly, business organization provide information regarding the product. So if you open any business house website, they provide information about the product, the feature, characteristics of product, okay, the name of the supplier from where you purchase, how to order for the products, and these are the details provided on the website. In the last few decades, there's a tremendous development in telecommunication infrastructure and software technology. As you all are aware that in last 10 years, the situation of internet is completely changed. Okay, nowadays the internet is almost free of cost. Okay, speed also increased, 4G, and we are about to go for 5G. Indicate that the way how the people transact with each other, that changed the situation of the whole life. It indicates that internet has become popular among the individual as well as business organization. Okay, so the popularity of internet is increased among individual people for their personal communication, and in business organization also internet is become very famous. Internet has revolutionized the way how business conduct nowadays. It changed the way how business has to be done. Majority people I observe that now they move on internet, and some of the people to whom I know, they do their complete 100% business on internet. So today internet is being used by people for various purpose. Like it can be used to pay the bill. You open the website, enter your customer ID, and you can pay your bill on the same moment on the screen. You can go for banking, transfer money from your bank account to someone else's bank account. You can even go for shopping also. So these are the famous way how internet used in India. Business organization conduct activities like marketing of the product, selling of the product, providing catalog, okay, and trading of the stocks and customer service. So all these are the hot private facility available. You can able to marketize, explain about the product, sell the products. Providing catalog means what? Providing the photograph of the product, name of the product, price, list, all together. And you can able to go for trading of the stock. Trading of stock means what? Can go for transaction regarding the shares and commodities. You can purchase the shares, you can sell the shares, all this possible. At the same time, you can also able to go for a customer care communication about any product related complaint and other issues. Now, the use of internet for conducting such business activity is known as e-commerce. Underline important sentence, already asked in board exam number of time, that whenever we use internet for conducting business related activity, okay, yes, that particular context is known as e-commerce. Okay, so this is what the introductory part of our today's lecture. Okay, if you want any changes in my video lecture, okay, please mention in comments. I definitely try my level best to customize myself as per your requirement to give you the best lecture. Okay, for commerce student, those who have a dream to score more than 95 marks in computer subject, the best thing what they can do today, whatever I explain, okay, that they can write as it is in a separate book, both the paragraphs. Okay, day to day, if you understand this subject, then that way you can able to get the marks. Otherwise, this is technical subject. It's not theoretical. At the same time, it's not calculative also. So those who want to score more than 95 or 90, it is essential, very much compulsory to deal with writing of these both paragraph in separate book. Okay, clear? By that way, it's go for revision on the same day. Clear? So we will keep up to this today, and I upload the next lecture as early as possible. Till then, keep commenting on the video whatever you feel, and share your doubts, and any modification you want, please let me know about that, and take care of yourself. Thank you.